De fruge, 4 chearnig súl nádar. Nid ys yn nádore, fydd de fog y calame yn neu ydd y chwli, as o'n smach gen ydd y rhed dy sŵas ri ffich y dilij. Ha bwlare. Mae'n had y mwyig ydd y cheile, had y ligalas testosteron, hag anghyddig bwloch, sy'n tortore y gol habasht. Han yn aidyn y dolnwgan yn y cheile, ach co hig y mar. Fyd i corag chaber y fi maradioch. Ach goi sabas i chiachnig tro arbys yn bwyddig. Ha tiach gyddoch as y bwyddig. Ha nafse jonoch sabast, agos goi tons i enw ydd niarst y nef von nŵa mynia.
The components of the vocalizations advertise the physical quality of the male, and especially what we've discovered is that they advertise the body size of the male that is vocalizing.
Ach lorag i olichin gyfel ffei y doi lesachug yd colas nes Conaltradh hort ydd y fwyddi hake.
We realized that when they produced this roar, they lowered their larynx, their voice box. So basically the Adam's apple, which is located in the middle of the neck, it's already in a low position in the males, but then when they vocalize, they lower it all the way down to the sternum. And when they do this, they maximize the impression of body size that is conveyed by the vocalization. So it makes them sound as big as possible.
Ha daf y bwyddig is o'n ffogl o'ch ydd y nafig. Agus femi eisiau toes yn ioch an hyhydd. Ha fehen crochig iddyn yn an hyg kerst.
If a male realizes that his competitor, on the basis of the roles that his competitor is stronger than himself, then they tend to withdraw from the fight.
Ha cwysyn y socrochig. Fydd bwyddig ma le dy ries o'n cwach go cawn, as unis fwyl y bydd y gorstig. Ach a bwy ag ysbarnse yn naintyn, by'n fer chael y ffadach yn iosol. Ach a fer y fwlnig iddo goi. Ha bwnoch gardach yw testosteron, ga ynyn ys dwltige gyn yna chwys y ddysg. Want misnioch glei yng nghwloch aatje os cion chai.